Imagine this. You are sitting in a group. People are laughing, talking, enjoying the moment. But you are there and still invisible. Not because you don't exist, but because you don't know how to express yourself. You have thoughts, you have ideas, but they never come out clearly, and slowly, people start calling you quiet, shy, or even boring. But here's the truth. The problem is not you. The problem is your communication skill. Part 1. The real problem. Low communication skills doesn't just mean you talk less. It means you struggle to express your thoughts clearly. You overthink before speaking. You fear judgment from others. You avoid starting conversations, and even when you speak, it feels unclear or awkward. And the worst part? People don't judge your intelligence by your thoughts. They judge it by how you express them. Part 2. How it affects your life. Let's take two people. Person A is average, but he speaks confidently, explains clearly, and interacts easily. Person B is smart, but he stays quiet, avoids speaking, and struggles to express ideas. Now guess what happens? People will call Person A smart and Person B less confident. This is reality. Communication equals perceived intelligence. If you can't express yourself, the world will never fully understand your value. Part 3. Why this happens. Low communication skills usually come from 3 reasons. 1. Overthinking. What if I say something wrong? What will people think? 2. Lack of practice. If you don't speak, you don't improve. 3. Fear of judgment. You try to protect yourself by staying silent, but in reality, silence doesn't protect you, it hides you. Part 4. Mindset shift. Here's something important. Communication is not talent. It is a skill, and skills can be learned. Nobody is born a great speaker, not the confident people you see, not the leaders, not even influencers. They all started awkward and improved with practice. Part 5. How to improve. If you want to improve your communication, start small. 1. Talk to yourself daily. Practice speaking in front of a mirror for 5 minutes. 2. Share one idea daily, even a small thought with someone. 3. Slow down your speech. Clear words matter more than fast words. 4. Listen more. Good communicators are always good listeners first. Part 6. Real truth. Your silence might feel safe, but it is slowly making you invisible. And the world doesn't remember the quietest person. It remembers the clearest voice, not the loudest, but the one that connects. So from today, make one decision. I will not wait to become perfect. I will start speaking. Because confidence doesn't come before speaking. It comes after speaking. And remember, silence keeps you safe, but communication builds your identity.